Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Kuti. Today we'll be talking about something called as the suicide disease. Now this disease is also known as trigeminal neuralgia, and I'll give you exactly 3 points about this disease, and it is extremely interesting to know about it. It's unlike any other thing that you've ever heard of. Patients who suffer from suicide disease or trigeminal neuralgia have sudden, acute, intense pain over the face, and it is triggered by what? It is triggered by eating food, it is triggered by drinking cold water, a whiff of wind can trigger it. Those simple things which can trigger it. So, and the pain is so intense that people reach the dentist, think it's emanating from the teeth and have their tooth extracted. And at the end of it, they've lost multiple teeth before they realize that the teeth was not the problem ever. And at one point of time, there was no cure for this, there was no treatment for this. So people used to eventually go into depression and end up committing suicide. That was the reason why it was called the suicide disease. But in today's time, we've identified the cause for this disease, and now we also have a cure or treatment for the same. Neurosurgeons, after operating a lot of these trigeminal neuralgia cases, found that there was a vascular loop, a small blood vessel, which was sitting right on top of the trigeminal nerve. Now, trigeminal nerve supplies a sensation to the face. So what happens is this presence of this vascular loop extremely close or exactly over the nerve, damages the nerve at that point, and what we would normally perceive as normal touch starts being perceived as pain initially, and then after a while from that spot itself the pain starts emanating. So you have this severe, intense, lancinating pain which is unbearable. So the cause is a vascular loop sitting over the trigeminal nerve. So now I'll come to the third and the most important point, the treatment of trigeminal neuralgia or the suicide disease. So when we think of pain, the first thing that comes to mind is pop a painkiller. Yes, that is what we would normally do. But unfortunately, you pop 10 painkillers and this pain would just not relent. It would not go away because it doesn't work. So what works is usually an anticonvulsant, which we prescribe. So eventually you have to take it under a doctor's guidance, not something which you can go and get off the counter. So that's the first thing, and most of the times medications do work really well. But just in case it doesn't work, there are multiple other modalities, and one of the most prominent modality would be a neurosurgical procedure called as the microvascular decompression. This has given the best results in trigeminal neuralgia so far. So what does microvascular decompression involve? As the name suggests, it involves microscopic vascular decompression of the trigeminal nerve. So what we do is decompress the nerve. Once that vascular loop is taken off that nerve, the pain just disappears. Patient is pain free. So this was it about trigeminal neuralgia, a rare but an extremely debilitating and disabling disorder. And because it is sort of rare, not too many people know about it, becomes that much more difficult to diagnose. But in today's time, we have treatment available, and there is no reason now for it to be called the suicide disease because we can treat it well. Thank you.